I'm Denise Austin, and this is kind of my home office right now for the moment while we're quarantining. So I wanted to share with you some of my favorite ways to stay toned, firmed, and stretched while I'm working. So I've created a little home office, but here's some great ways to stretch. The first one is to reach up overhead and stretch side to side for the waistline. So important for the whole body to stretch your waistline. That's it. Your spine is your lifeline. Keep it healthy, keep it strong. When you stretch overhead, now stretch as tall as you can, and now reach for your toes. Beautiful. Let's come back up. Stretch, 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 and reach for your toes, relaxing your back. That's it. Come all the way up. And now bring one knee up towards your chest and do like a knee kiss. Hold that stretch for about 20 seconds. It really relaxes the low spine. Okay, let's do the other one. Bring your knee to your chest, nose there, and release. That's a great way to stretch the low back. Now it's time to work a little abs. Come on, target tone the tummy. So pull your knees in. That's it. I call this the natural tummy tuck. Touch and pull in. Tap and pull in. There you go. These are some great lower tummy exercises. Try each of these about 10 times and you will feel a difference. That's it. It gets the energy flowing too. Oxygen equals energy. That's it. We got two more. Last one. And now just bicycle it out. Bicycle it out. That's it. Come on. Push yourself. Push. Now to the side for the obliques, for the waistline. And now to the other side. Great one for right here. Pull in that tummy, belly button to spine, and release. My next favorite stretch. Okay, stretch arms out to the side and twist, twist, and switch. Twist, twist. That's it. Great for the tummy. Great for your waistline. Really twist. Come on, really twist. Keep those abs tight. Good. Pull in the abdominals, core strong. Last one. Okay, now it's time to relax your back, but also improve your posture. Because we're sitting for so long like this, we got to open up the chest. So place your hands behind your chest, elbows way back. Feel as though you're stretching and opening up through the chest, through the heart. Open up, good posture. That's it, stretch. And now can you bring your elbows to touch? That relaxes the low part of the neck. And open up again one more time. Stretch, look up, elbows back, improve that posture, and release. Okay, now for the neck, to relax the neck. Just place your hand right here, elongate your arm. Oh, did you know a muscle will stay in a state of tension unless there's a change of activity? That's why it's good to stretch. Get rid of those knots. Move and circulate. Circulation is what helps heal your body. Stretch out your neck. That's it. Beautiful. Okay, I wanted to take you to the next level. Using your desk, I want you to stand up nice and tall and get in a couple push-ups. Here we go. Arms straight, go down and push away. Good. Great for the chest, great for the arms, and great for your tummy too. Keep your stomach in, back flat. Give me 10 of these. You can do it. Strengthen your whole upper body while you tighten up the abs. Pump it out. That's it. Beautiful. Okay, now it's also stretch time for your sides of your legs. Just lift them out to the side. Standing up nice and tall. Lift your leg out to the side. Good. That's it. You're doing great. And to the other leg. Stand up tall, just reach your leg out to the side. Think about good posture. You can place your hand there for support. Okay, now it's time to work on the back of the legs, the buttocks. And all you have to do is reach behind. Squeeze that tushy. If you don't squeeze it, no one else will. Squeeze, squeeze, tight, tight, tight. Lift and switch legs. Lift that tushy. You got it. Beautiful. Okay, we're going to finish it off with some tricep dips for the back of our arms. So lean slightly forward, away from your desk. That's it. And a little away from the chair. You're going to go down and straight back up. You got it. This will work the back of those arms. Target tone the triceps. When you wave goodbye, nothing will jiggle. We'll firm it, sculpt it, shape up those arms. That's it. We got 2 more. Do 10 of every move, and you'll feel so much better. So happy you joined me. Subscribe to my channel. Denise Austin. Love you guys. Stay healthy and fit all the time.